Speaking to the media fraternity on a uranium issue in southwest Khasi Hills, the Chief Minister, Mr. Conrad Kesangma, said that the government has left no stone unturned to see into the matter, stating that the government has its own agencies and the reports that have been given indicated that it was untrue to say that there was leakage in the uranium site. But if people have raised concerns, then the government will take up the issue again. Furthermore, he said that it is incorrect for any organization to simply reject and doubt the reports that were submitted to the government by different official agencies. He assured to examine the matter closely, and after the discussion with the Forest Department and other agencies, the government will move forward to see into the matter.
It has been looked into again. There's no harm in looking into it because, as I said, we are equally concerned about it. But we have, as I said, the arm of the government and the agencies and all our agencies that are around us and who have been working on this have clearly indicated to us that there is no such leakage or no such thing that has happened. No, I mean, whether somebody is an expert or not, the point is that the agency and the DC and the SP are responsible officials of the district. So I think it's incorrect for any organization to simply say that we'll reject it and that they're not experts. Obviously, they must and they will involve the experts and involve the concerned technical people to ensure that the reports that come are genuine. So therefore, I think it's wrong and incorrect for anybody to say that we cannot accept the official report. If there was even a single report from all the different official agencies that indicated in any way that there was some kind of leakage or some kind of radiation, then definitely it would raise a lot of concern among us. But as I said, none of the reports have indicated. But at the same time, as I said, this is a matter that is very, very important, and it's a matter that the government has taken very seriously. And therefore, we will definitely get the matter examined and after discussing with the Forest Department and the other agencies, we'll take a call on how to move forward.